Namaste. I am Bhavna Verma from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I am going to take the sessions of e-commerce and ERP. So the name of my session is Introduction to E-commerce. I am from Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Computer Science. Okay, about Introduction to E-commerce. So e-commerce means using the internet and web for business transaction and commercial transaction, which typically involves the exchange of value that is money, value across the organization or individual boundary in return for product and services. E-business applications turns into e-commerce precisely when an exchange of value occurs. Digitally enabled transaction include all the transaction mediated by digital technology and platform. That is transaction that occurs over the internet and the web. So we can say that we can say that any trading or any exchange of goods and services that includes the use of e-transaction and includes the use of digital platform or internet or web can be include inside the e-commerce. So, for example, we can take Amazon.com and Flipkart.com. These are uh, these are the examples of e-commerce because they provide information about the products and also allow the monetary transaction to happen over the internet. So here we can purchase, like we can take the example of Amazon. We can purchase the things that we want and we see that things on the web page or an application which is called Android application. We can see as in our phones we have Amazon Amazon app. So this Amazon app allows us to see all the products online and we can book them online and we can pay the money advance online. So it is an example of e-commerce. Same for same here. Flipkart.com is also an example of e-commerce and ERP. Also, eBay is also an example of e-commerce. Similarly, now we are going to discuss about the objectives of e-commerce. What are the objective of e-commerce? So first is development of business relationship. So e-commerce helps in development of business relationship like one business organization when helps to other business organization helps other business organization in trading that happens digitally and uses the web. So, uh, so e-commerce can also be done for the development of business relationship. Now, next one is better customer services. We can see that e-commerce allows for the better customer services as customer can see the products online anytime from anywhere and pay for the product, but only he has to do is wait for till the packet that he has ordered has to come. And third one is getting more customers. So e-commerce allows us to getting more customers because we can do online advertising of products that we are going to sell through web. Also, now we are going to discuss about the needs of e-commerce. Why e-commerce is needed? E-commerce is needed for wider audience, for cost efficiency, and for faster information. We we can say that with the help of e-commerce, when commerce is done through web, so more audience can join through a single platform. So so it helps in getting wider audience. Second is cost efficiency. Some going to a particular shop for purchasing a product, it is more commercial for the or most cost efficient for the person who is uh, for the person who done its trading online. Third one is faster information. It is easy for the as easy for the it is easy for the businessman to provide information fastly, as we can say that registered users of Amazon can uh, receive the emails which have the information about the things that are going to be that email contains the different offers that that a business organization wants to give to its customer. So that's that's all about the e-commerce and ERP. Thank you.